Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. If you're looking to explore the latest innovations in premium massage chairs, you're in the right place. Today's video takes you through 5 advanced massage chairs, each designed with unique technologies to deliver comfort, relaxation, and therapeutic benefits. We'll introduce them in descending order, focusing purely on their features and capabilities. Let's begin. Number 5. Osaki 4D Achilles. The Osaki 4D Achilles focuses heavily on lower body recovery with the industry's first independent ankle stretching technology. It features a 4D massage system, computerized body scanning, and an SL track that follows the spine from neck to glutes. A standout feature is the 360-degree rotating footrest paired with triple foot rollers and full body air compression for improved circulation. Additional features include a 2-stage zero-gravity recline with space-saving design, an extendable leg rest, 3 levels of lumbar heat, intelligent voice control, Bluetooth speakers, USB charging, a touchscreen controller, and 19 automatic massage programs. Number 4. Lifevibe VAT Prime. The Lifevibe VAT Prime combines traditional massage rollers with vibroacoustic therapy using synchronized sound vibration frequencies. Its sonic wave dual drive system operates across 3 frequency ranges designed for muscle relaxation, nervous system calming, and circulation support. Intelligent body sensing ensures precise positioning during each session. The chair offers 3 therapeutic modes: meditation, sleep, and focus, along with 25 automatic programs and immersive soundscapes. Additional features include USB and wireless charging, an integrated reading light, and an award-winning design recognized with a 2025 Muse Design Awards Platinum. Number 3. Titan 3D Reflex. The Titan 3D Reflex features a customizable 3D massage mechanism that allows users to adjust roller depth for personalized intensity. Its SL track system provides consistent coverage from the neck down the spine, supported by automatic body scan technology for tailored sessions. The chair includes 44 air cells for full body compression massage, a 1-stage zero-gravity recline for stress relief, and a space-saving design that allows full recline while staying close to the wall. Number 2. Human Touch Novo Flex. The Human Touch Novo Flex is designed for full spine, glute, and stretch-focused massage using its HT Flex S and L track system. It offers 16 auto wellness programs, including advanced 4D massage options and Cloud Touch acupressure technology that applies targeted air pressure and stretching. Key features include zero-gravity positioning, horizon rest flat recline, dual lumbar heat therapy, a heated foot and calf massager with rollers, an automatically extending leg rest, USB and wireless charging, memory settings, and fingertip controls. Number 1. Osaki Platinum Pinnacle 5D Duoflex AI. The Osaki Platinum Pinnacle 5D Duoflex AI delivers intelligent 5D massage powered by real-time pressure sensing and AI-driven personalization. The chair continuously adjusts depth, force, and motion to match the body's response, supported by a quiet, brushless motor and precision sensors. Features include zero-gravity recline, aromatherapy, negative ions, 57 airbags for full body compression, automatic calf extension, and immersive sound from 4 Bluetooth speakers. A 12-inch HD touchscreen with screen mirroring and wellness tracking completes this advanced massage experience. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. We hope this video helped you get a clear look at the features and innovations behind today's top massage chairs. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more in-depth reviews and product breakdowns. See you in the next video on Best Reviews.